From the main menu, click on the three dots in the top right-hand corner. To access the settings, click on the icon on the left and enter the password, in this case, 10. Once the password has been entered, the display shows the settings for the type of fan speed and the number of pipes, either 2 or 4. Pressing the plus and minus buttons allows you to choose one configuration rather than another. To confirm your choice, press OK in the top right corner. Pressing OK once again will take you to subsequent screens where you can set other configuration parameters. In particular, the next screen is used to configure the air sensor. It is, in fact, possible to use a remote air sensor to regulate the room temperature. If used, it becomes the main regulation sensor in place of the sensor located in the user interface. Therefore, to choose which sensor to use for regulation, press the plus and minus keys in field C3. In field C4, it is also possible to set the unit of measurement to be used, Celsius or Fahrenheit. On the next screen, you can set the type of fan control, choosing between modulating fan or step fan. 3 options are available for the type of valve: on-off valve, modulating valve, or none if there is no valve to control. To change the mode logic for seasonal operation, a wide choice of operating logics are available. Local mode, remote mode, which is made possible by digital input DI1, operating logics based on water or air temperature. By scrolling through the screens, it is also possible to change the language. The minimum temperature control function prevents, when the thermostat is off, the room temperature from falling below a threshold that can be set on the consent screen. From the main menu, click on the 3 dots in the top right-hand corner. To access the settings, click on the second icon from the left and enter the password, in this case, 77. On this screen, you can configure the limit values for the cooling and heating temperature set points. To change the air temperature and fan speed set point, on the home screen, press the On button in the top right corner. The screen with the room temperature and the temperature and fan set point will be displayed. To increase or decrease the temperature and the fan speed, press the plus and minus buttons. If the fan is the modulating type, the speed will be displayed as a percentage. Above 100%, the automatic mode is selected. On the home screen, press the time slots icon, Clock. The main menu will appear where you can access various functions. To change the summer or winter set points, click on the icon and change the temperatures as desired. Click on the calendar icon to access a screen with the Set and Copy functions. By pressing Set, it is possible to set the time slots for every day of the week, hour by hour. The Copy function allows you to copy the settings of one day to any other day. On the home page of the time slots menu, it is also possible to change the time by clicking on the clock icon. To reduce energy consumption and noise levels of the unit as much as possible, the economy function has been incorporated into the controller. When this condition is set, the temperature set point is corrected with an offset of 2.5 degrees centigrade, and the speed is forced to the minimum allowed value. The economy function is activated by clicking on the leaf icon. The presence of the leaf icon at the bottom of the screen confirms that the unit is operating in this mode. The EVO-2-TOUCH display shows an internal humidity probe. Therefore, it is always possible to enable the dehumidification function. If the dehumidification function, which can only be used in the cooling mode, is enabled in the user menu, the unit will operate with the aim of reducing the humidity in the room. To select the dehumidification mode, click on the water droplet icon. You can now change the relative humidity value in the room as desired. The hydronic indoor unit will then reduce the humidity in the room to the set point that you have selected on this screen. For units equipped with an air ioniser, there is an ion icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the home screen. By clicking on the ion icon, it is possible to manually switch the ioniser on or off when the fan is switched off. From the main menu, you can use the user access restriction function by clicking on the icon with the prohibition and entering the password 66. Once this is done, the prohibition symbol is displayed in the top left corner of the screen, indicating that this function is running. To cancel this mode, click on the symbol in the top left-hand corner and re-enter the password. To lock the screen, you can click on the padlock icon and then enter the password 99. Once the screen is locked, the padlock symbol appears in the top left-hand corner and any changes made using the keyboard are prohibited. To unlock the screen, the password must be re-entered.